Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy section. Then choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Finally, you can tap on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, from Not Allowed category, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage, like messages. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions and manage all of them for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!